What is up guys? What up? Kamusta ang lahat? For today's video, ito ang ating first ride na kasama ang mga cup natin. Saan nga ba tayo pupunta? Siyempre, pupunta tayo sa Nasugbu, Batangas. Breakfast ride lang. Kaya medyo magaga tayo dyan. Medyo madilim-dilim pang sitwasyon sa kalsada. Kaya samahan niyo muna kami bumaybay kung saan kami mag-meet up na mga cup natin. So let's go.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain.
At ayun, sa wakas, nakarating na tayo after ng ilang minuto. Nandiyan na tayo sa meetup place natin. Siyempre, hintayin pa rin natin yung mga cup natin para sabay-sabay na tayong umalis. Papuntang Batangas, Nasugbu. So let's go.
A few minutes later.
So what is up guys? Ito, ride out na kami. Kompleto na. At dumating na yung buong tropa. So yun, nakaano kami ngayon. Kaya marami kayong maririnig ngayon sa vlog natin. So let's go. Subukan natin. You know. Yun, no? Hello vlog.
Let's go, Vlogster.
Gitna tayo. Oh. Takbong pogi lang mga idol. Maaga pa.
Yes.
Alerto lang.
I see you rolling up over black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a ride in that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's section T's, big lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, get her touching me. 'Cause she got a bad little waist. Tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase.
Oy, lubak! Lubak pre, lubak. Na-surprise ako doon. All good naman, all good. Taas ba? Taas? Alerto lang sa daan, may mga may uka.
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you can cannot replace it. She could get you high. All
Ayun
the
na,
dopamine
ayun na.
inside
Oh.
you is fast.
3, 2.
Body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment.
Oy, kamote! Nakita kamote!
Her high heels make a
Spotted!
damn good statement. There is no replacement.
Spotted!
I say she got a
Ah,
little waist, and we tearing down this place. Something liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby.
Ay,
I don't
lubak.
need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything.
Teka, may sakyan, may sakyan.
She's like sex, drugs, cocaine, vice, so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict 'cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
At after nga ng lagpas isang oras na pagmamaneho, ayan, naisipan muna namin mag-stretching, mag-update tulad yan ni Mrs. nag-update kung nasaan na kami. At medyo malamig na rin sa lugar na pinaghintuan namin. So yun, tuloy-tuloy na natin to. Let's go!
You up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that.
One eternity later.
So what is up guys, nandito na kami sa Batulaw View Farm Table Food House. All goods pa rin sa ADB. At ito yung mga kasama namin. Dalawa lang kaming Team Red, di Cap Mark, and the rest puro black and white na. Hindi ako makapag-drone, may mga uwak, mahirap na. Ganda pa naman ang view. Solid. May try ko ulit kung makapag-drone tayo. Pero grabe yung lamig dito. Pagkatapos kumain at mag-picture, syempre diretso na tayo sa Fantasy World dahil di pa naman tayo nakakapunta ron. Kaya let's go na agad. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa.
A few moments later.
Yun o, shoutout kay Kaparman na nagpatuloy sa amin, panandalian. Salamat sa buko juice. Buko juice yan. Eto, ride out na. Parang alas 4, alas 5 pero alas 12 pa lang. Kaliwa. Oo nga eh. Kung saan yung liblib, doon pa ispaltado no? Matik na yan. So what is up guys? Eto, nagbabalik at pauwi na. Kateriyan ng araw. Ano masasabi mo, be?
Enjoy, pero ganito kainit, parang malapit na maging chicharon.
Konti na lang chicharon na.
Oo.
Time check natin, 2:20 na tanghali. Kakaiba no? Walang lunch to.
Brunch na yan eh, kanina.
Oo.
Wala pa tayong merienda. Alam ko mag-aayangan ng merienda eh. Ako naman mag-chicharon.
Hindi
Kanina,
eh.
ikaw eh.
Ikaw rin yun eh.
At kunyari ako naman
Ganun.
nawala.
Kaya mo na, kain na lang tayo. So enjoy naman. Siyempre di na tayo nakapag-drone. At konti na lang din kami nasa biyahe. Nagkawatak-watak na yung iba kung saan yung may malalapit na daanan. Kaya doon na sila dumiretso.
So hanggang dito na lang mga idol. Dito ko natatapusin ang video. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa munting channel natin. Maraming salamat din sa mga kap natin palaging nandyan. Kaya shoutout sa inyo lahat. So hanggang dito na lang. Enjoy, ride safe and peace out. Bye-bye you. Bye-bye.
I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember.